In this quick video, I'm going to show you how you can temporarily disable your Facebook account. Click on your profile icon at the top right corner, and then from here we want to select Settings and Privacy. And from the new menu, we want to click on Settings. So right here on the left hand side, you should see the Meta section. Click on See More in Accounts Center. Then from this menu right here, again on the left hand side, you want to select Personal Details. And the very last option, Account Ownership and Control. Click on it. Right here, you will see deactivation or deletion. Again, click on this. Select the account that you want to deactivate temporarily. And this first option that's selected, currently deactivating your account, is temporary. Your account and main profile will be deactivated. So on and so forth. You can read this. Basically, all you have to do is click on Continue, and then your account will be deactivated. Hope this was helpful. Don't forget to like and sub, and I'll see you next time.